Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosa, and today I'm so excited to share with you a recipe that's absolutely delicious and so easy to make. It's my vegan zucchini bread. This loaf is moist, flavorful, and full of wholesome ingredients. It's perfect for breakfast, snacking, and dessert, and I know you're gonna love it. My love for loaf started way back in college when I came across a vendor in Buffalo, New York. She had the cutest mini loaves, cranberry orange, chocolate chip, and zucchini. I grabbed a zucchini loaf one day on the way to class, and it was love at first bite. Since then, I've been hooked on baking loaves, and this zucchini loaf is one of my favorites. Now, zucchini is the star of this loaf, and it's such an amazing ingredient. It's low in calories, high in hydration, and it's full of vitamins like vitamin C and potassium. Plus, its mild flavor is perfect for baking. It keeps the loaf moist without overpowering the taste. Before we get started, be sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking pan with parchment paper. After shredding it, be sure to use a clean kitchen towel to squeeze out as much moisture as possible. If you skip this step, your loaf may come out too dense and wet. We want it moist, but with the perfect texture. You want to create a peak mound in the center of the loaf so that it has that nice mound when finished baking. Here it is, our gorgeous vegan zucchini loaf. And it smells amazing, oh my gosh. It's moist. Perfect amount of sweetness, but if you want more sweetness, you can also add a glaze on it, or for more indulgence, put a little bit of vegan butter on it. But I like it just like this. Every bite takes me right back to that vendor when I first got my zucchini loaf. And the best part, it was portable, absolutely delicious, and I can share it with my friends. If you give this zucchini loaf a try, please let me know and comment below. And don't forget, I have plenty more loaf recipes on my website, along with lots more plant-based goodness. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I will see you next time on my next video. Bye for now.